Hi everyone, Ajit here. Today I'm gonna share my new project. This project is a part of my virtual internship. This is a Python automation project. Basically, we have been given this task to automate the process of consolidating our monthly revenue reports into MySQL database. We have to create a Python script to read the Excel files and import the data into a MySQL database. We have to ensure that the database table is structured to accommodate all the relevant data fields. And after setting up the script, we have to test it with a few files to make sure the data is inputted correctly. Okay. So basically, we have been given these 12.csv files to import into MySQL database. Okay. So without further delay, let's jump into the PyCharm IDE and see how the application works. So before moving forward, let me take you to the MySQL database. Here we can see there is no records found in the no tables found in the revenue underscore data. When we will upload the start uploading the files, the table will automatically create dynamically create it will dynamically create the tables. Basically, I have implemented the logic for creating two tables. For the first table is taking the file that has been imported, taking the file names and store them in the database to prevent the duplication. When will you upload the same file uh, for the next time, it will prompt you that this file has already been imported. That's why I have implemented the first table, which is imported files table, and the second table is revenue underscore data, which uh, is for storing all the records that has been imported to the database. So let me take you to the application and start to run the application. Let me close this terminal. Start run. Don't close this. Okay. So start applying actually. Will write streamlit run front end plus app.py. So this command will run our application. This command will open our application in Google Chrome. Wait a second. It is opening now. So in the background, I am running OBS Studio. That's why it's taking this much time. Otherwise, it is very fast. Let me go to the. Here we can see when as the application launches, you will see here connection successful. See, that means our application is opening now. See, so as there is no records found in our database, so here you can see no records found in the database, and these are the questions that has been provided to for analysis, and we have to answer these questions. And don't worry, as we will upload the file, the question answer will automatically pop up here. So no need to worry, and the visuals will automatically generate their output. So no need to worry about that. Let me take you to the here. Click here to browse the files to upload. My application is very slow because of in the background I am running OBS Studio and my system is very low standard. So let me first import the Jan file first. Okay. So if I select single file, single CSV file, it will upload this. And if I select multiple files, then also it will import them one by one. So this facility is available in this. This feature is available in this application. Okay. So for now, this insights are not correct because I have imported a single file here. So let me go to the dataset file and import all the files. I will select all the files at once and start import them. But don't worry, you will see the January file will skip out. It don't get imported, and except January file, all files will imported. See, January file has already been imported. Yeah. So it will skip all the imported files, and other than the imported files, it will import all the data, and based on the data that has been imported here and in the database, we are getting the insights. For the first question, what is the total revenue in crores generated for all plants across all cities? So this is the total revenue, 581.48 crores. And which city code generated the highest revenue on a single day? This city code has the highest revenue of 11.46 crore on this date. Okay. And which plan generated the highest total revenue across all cities? P7 plan generated 117.86 crore, which is the highest revenue in terms of plans. How many city code contributed to the total revenue for plan P3? For plan P3, total 15 cities has been contributed to the revenue. Yes, you can see. So which city contributed the most total revenue across all plans? So this city code contributed the total 24.93 to the revenue. Okay, which is the highest revenue. Okay, so I have checked all the I have verified all the answers because I have already completed the task 2 of virtual internship 2. So these answers are correct. If you want to check, then you will check it as well. So based on this data, we are getting these visuals. First is for revenue trend by month. Second is revenue by city, and this is revenue by plan. Actually, in the I have actually copied it and pasted the code. That's why the this title is same. But don't worry, I will change it later. Okay. So in this application, I have a features like let me take you to the features. I have a you can upload one file at a time, or we can upload one to many files as well at a time. And for preventing duplication, I have implemented two tables as I said before. It will automatically identifies and avoids re-importing the previous uploaded files, eliminating redundant processing. Oh, okay. So it will pass the clean data and including handling missing or invalid dates as well. Uh, it will automate the database integration, consolidate monthly revenue reports into a structured MySQL database for seamless analysis. In terms of database management, it will create the two dynamic tables whenever you import the data for the first time. Okay. After the data imported for the first time, then it will store the data into the previously generated the tables. Okay. So By using this application, we will efficiently insert revenue data into the database, execute query to extract actionable insights, um, robust data validation, and error-free insertion. Okay. For data visualization, I have built. I have created a interactive charts built with. Here I have used the Plotly library for showing the visualization charts for engaging visualization. For bar charts, display revenue by city. Line chart displays the revenue trend by over time. For error handling, I have managed common database and file parsing issues, provide detailed logging and easy troubleshooting. For data analysis, I have calculated the total revenue across all the plants and cities, identify the city generating the highest revenue in the single day, determine which plan is the highest total revenue, and analyze the total number of cities contributed to the total revenue in plan P3. Highlight the city with the highest total revenue across all plans. So, friends, for this project, I have used Python 3.13 for automation and analytics. I have used the Streamlit library to create the interactive web-based dashboards. Uh, MySQL Workbench for managing and interactive with the database visually. I've used Plotly for building interactive and insightful visualization, Pandas for efficient manipulation and cleaning, GitHub Desktop for version control and uploading the project repository, and PyCharm IDE for coding, and last but not the least, ChatGPT for assistant code reviews and troubleshooting during the development. So, friends, that's it for this video. Thank you all for your attention. Now that you have seen how this project automates and revolutionizes revenue analysis, I do love to hear your thoughts. What excites you the most about this solution? Is the seamless automation, the interactive visualization, or the powerful insights that it provides? So, also, I am curious, how do you see such solutions making a difference in our own domain or projects? So, friends, feel free to ask questions, share your feedbacks, or even suggestions, features do you like to add in the future? So, friends, let's make this a collaborative discussion. Thank you. Bye bye.